Welcome back, everybody. My good friend Steve and my hunting buddy just returned from Texas, where he killed 3 Texas hogs. He gave me a bunch of Texas hog meat. I processed it myself, ground up, and look, got some Mountain Man Texas hog sausage. And I'm pretty excited because Blackstone just released the brand new Press and Sear Burger Kit. That's right, the redesigned Press and Sear Burger Kit. It's been out for a couple of years, but they've completely redesigned some things. And I'm gonna do this in just about real time. So let's crack open a brand new Blackstone Press and Sear Burger Kit right here in front of you. Now, first question you're gonna ask is, where would I buy one of these? And the answer, of course, that I'm gonna give you is Walmart. It's a Walmart exclusive. So don't go asking me if you can buy this at my website or why you can't buy it at blackstoneproducts.com. All right, so right here is, let me get this out of the packaging. See, folks, nothing's rehearsed with me. There we go. The brand new Press and Sear, the redesigned Press and Sear Burger Tool. The big difference is, by popular demand, people have begged for it, they've asked for it, some have whined for it, they've pined for it, but completely flat. Okay, still heavy stainless steel, but completely flat, so it's not going to limit how thin you make your burger. It's amazing. I used this on a couple Blackstone videos down in Texas over the weekend at my good friend Paul's house. So there it is in all its glory. We're going to use that today. And of course, the kit also comes with 2 more things, including, cut this out of here, the brand new Blackstone hamburger spatula. And you might be saying, okay, do I really need another spatula? And you know, that's entirely up to you. Buy what you want to buy. But the cool thing about the brand new spatulas, Blackstone has redesigned them. See, there's this little pronounced area right there. Okay, in the past, a lot of people have complained because they said when they have tried to press down on these, right, they fold right there. But I guarantee you one thing. Look at this. My wrist is going to fold before this spatula folds. That thing is the real deal. So a complete redesign on the spatulas. Again, this kit is available at Walmart. Check it out. And the kit also comes with a seasoning dredge, a spice dredge. So when I used to work as a line cook back, oh, these little plastic things, my goodness. When I used to work as a line cook back in the day, the line chefs would call that a seasoning dredge. I won't be using that today because I'm not using any seasoning, but the point being that you can put your favorite burger seasonings in there. For me, that would be salt, pepper, and garlic right there. So Blackstone brand new Press and Sear Burger Kit. If you're curious about wild game processing, go back into my archives. I have about 600 videos and lots of them on wild game processing. I made this with a high mountain seasoning Mountain Man kit. I've been using that stuff for 15, 16 years. All right, so when you do a smash burger, you want to, hey, did I mention we're doing, did I mention we're doing smash burgers? We're doing a breakfast smash burger here, a sausage smash burger. So you want to roll up a little meatball. So when I processed this wild hog meat last week, I did it as 80-20. So 80% lean and trimmed Texas hog with 20% domestic pork shoulder. I have some Idaho spuds here. These are the kind that you put the hot water in. Some Blackstone nonstick cooking spray down on the griddle top. 2 of my Blackstone silicone egg rings. And I'll take some of the hash brown potatoes. So let's see how this works here. Push those down inside the egg rings like so. Now this is an idea I have. It may or may not work, but you're gonna find out today because I'm gonna be honest with you. All right, we're gonna shove those down inside the egg rings like so. Okay, there we go. I guess I can use my new spatula to press things down there like so. Okay, and I'm thinking a little bit of oil on top of those little hash brown disc might work out, as well as a little bit Blackstone breakfast blend seasoning. Okay. And while I'm waiting for those hash browns to start crisping up, I picked up some brioche buns at Walmart. I chose brioche because it's just delicious, man. I mean, if you watch any Gordon Ramsay videos, for starters, he always says to use a brioche bun for the best hamburger, but brioche has a high egg content, a high sugar content, and it is just the, look at that. Just the perfect bun. Now, if you've been watching my videos for any length of time, you know I always keep it real, always give credit where credit is due. Now, I stayed away from the mayonnaise on the inside of the bun craze that everybody took part in, right? So shout out to Blackstone Betty, she's been doing it for years, and the reason why, I thought, well, I've been putting butter on my buns for years, why would I switch to mayonnaise? It works just fine. Well, let me tell you what, recently I put a little bit of mayo on the inside of my bun, and it rocked my world. It literally did. It just, I believe you get a much better crust, if you will, better color, better taste, everything. So now I'm all in on the mayo on the inside of the bun when you're toasting them on the Blackstone. This is going to be 100% candid, as I've never ever done this before. I don't have a clue whether these are ready to flip or not. I'm going to try to peek underneath them. They look good. Okay, here we go. Let's see if this works, folks. This might be an epic fail. The egg rings did their job. Oh, I'm a little nervous about this. I think they're going to fall apart a little bit. Okay. Oh my goodness. Do I have to flip this, folks? I'm afraid to flip that. Maybe I'll flip one and I won't flip the other. Let's just see what happens. There we go. Actually, it worked, kind of. Yeah, not bad on that one. All right, so I think the secret is you want to leave these down as long as possible, but obviously you don't want to let them get, you know, burned. Here we go. That one's a little uglier, but I think it worked. Let's go ahead and just clean it up, see? Clean it up, and then no one will ever know the difference. I suppose if you wanted to, you could put just a little more oil on there. All right. All right, it is smash sausage patty time. Blackstone's non-stick griddle spray. There might be a little bit of trial and error here. Here we go. Let's go down with 2 of my Texas hog patties. Go down with some parchment paper over here, and let's see what happens with this. Okay, here we go, folks. Now, parchment paper, or you could use some non-stick griddle spray, I suppose. Let's see. I'm going to press it down, lift it up, and wow, that's beautiful. There we go. Okay, so the neat thing you probably can see about using the brand new, the redesigned Press Sear Burger tool, is that you can go a lot thinner on your patties. Look at that. All right, we're going to do some eggs last, but I'm going to do the buns, get them out of the way. So remember, that's the brioche bun with a little bit of mayo right there, okay? Let's check out these buns. In my experience, with the mayo, they just seem to toast quicker and the color is better. All right, back down with my Blackstone silicone egg rings. A little more spray in there. Even though these are silicone and they work amazing, I definitely recommend you use some spray in there. I'm not the world's best egg cracker, so if I get a shell in there, excuse me. Hey, there's one without a shell. Let's see if I can repeat it. Bingo, look at there, I actually did it. And again, you could go salt, pepper, garlic, but we'll just put a little bit of that Blackstone breakfast blend. Just a little bit, a little bit. Let me reiterate, a little bit goes a long way with this stuff. And let's go ahead here and flip. There we go. Can you see that, baby? That is a wild, woo, Texas hog patty right there. Got some cheese over here. I got some Cache Valley sharp cheddar. So you know me, I'm the king of shout outs. And give a shout out to all my peeps back there in the Cache Valley. A little bit of sharp cheddar on those like so. And we have some Swiss. So let's also go down. Come on, open up on me. Ah! This one's not opening up on me, friends. Let me pull out my trusty knife. Here comes some wind. Hopefully we survive. Let's see if we can get this open. Things are blowing away on me. Wind is my nemesis. Okay. Go down with a little bit of Swiss cheese like so. All right. Let's grab my little spatula over here. We're doing this real time, 100% experimental here. Let's grab those delicious looking hash brown patties. Can you see that? I'm gonna put that straight down there on top of the cheese and the sausage. See that? Boo, yeah. Most of the time your eggs will slide straight out of these egg rings, but I always like to put a knife in there, maybe a butter knife or steak knife around the edges just to make sure. This is the moment of truth right there. That's the beauty of an egg ring right there. Help your eggs stay circular. Now, some people like them sunny side up and some people like them over easy. I think it's time to plate these up. All right, we have that gorgeous brioche bun, and we're gonna go down with my Texas hog smash burger patty, of course the sharp cheddar, the Swiss, the hash brown patty, and I'm gonna go sunny side up. And don't forget that beautifully toasted crown. Oh my goodness. For those about to rock. Fire! So good, so good. The brioche bun, baby. The smash burger. See, a lot of people just don't understand smash burgers. I see the comment all the time and they say, what's the difference between a thick burger and a smash burger? Well, there you saw it right there. People were trained traditionally 20 years ago, right? If you watched what was that guy's name? Steve Reichlin, right? The godfather of outdoor grilling. He would say, don't ever smash your burger or press it. Well, that's because you didn't want grease and flare-ups on your open grated grill, okay? We're not doing that right here. This is a traditional, kind of like a Jersey, I'll say Jersey, but you know, it could be anywhere. A Jersey style diner burger. Smash burger. Okay, so you're spreading the burger out, instantly pressing it as soon as you get it down on the griddle top. Hot heat, as hot as possible. And of course, it's spreading out super thin, cooks real quick, maybe a minute, minute and a half on each side, and you give it a flip. So more surface area, getting caramelized, the juices stay inside, and they are delicious. So there you go, folks. Hope you enjoyed that. Hey, again, if you want to pick up Blackstone's brand new, the redesigned Press Sear Burger Kit, that's going to be at Walmart. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying, what am I calling this thing? Praise the Lord and pass the breakfast smash burger.